So how many ounces are in a stick of butter, one stick of butter? Well, here's how you find out. You go to the fridge, you grab a stick of butter, and it says it right here. Net weight, 4 ounces. So one stick of butter, that's 4 ounces or 113 grams. You could also find a lot of other information here too. It tells you how many tablespoons are in one stick of butter. There are 8, so you can divide this up by tablespoons real easily. Or if you want to cut it in half, that'll give you a 1/4 cup here, and then the other half, that's a 1/4 cup. You can do a 1/3 cup, and if you need 2/3 cup, you could take 2 sticks and then add 1/3 plus 1/3. That would give you 2/3. So a lot of information here on our stick of butter, but the key thing is 4 ounces per stick of butter. And since we have 1 pound equals 16 ounces, if you want 1 pound of butter, you're going to need 4 sticks of butter. That's because 4 times 4 is 16. That's it. It's Dr. B looking at how many ounces are in one stick of butter. The answer is 4 ounces. Thanks for watching.